but I want to create a list of this data. So how you can do that? Again, go to data. Sorry, not data. I'll just again go to file. Again, go to more options, and here I'll just I'll just keep it here so that I can see my data. Now scroll down a bit. Sorry, go to advanced, scroll down a bit, click on edit custom list, and here if you see, this is the option. Please enter to separate list entries, import list from the cells. So the sample data that you're talking about, you must be having that data in some Excel sheet or somewhere where you have those 1 lakh records. Okay. Now what you need to do, this is for everyone. What you need to do, you need to import your data. So here, if you see this option, I'll just click on this option and I will select the range. This is the range from where I want to, using which I want to create a list. Okay, and just press enter. Once you give the data and press enter, you just need to click on import so that whatever range you have selected, that gets imported into the list entries. Just verify your data whether it is correct or not. If it is correct, just click on add. Okay, once you have clicked on add, just click on OK, and here also just click on OK. Now what will happen? Again the same thing. When I am writing, let's say Bangalore, now I want to flash fill the values. So what you need to do, just drag and drop. Is this clear? This is how you can use existing values. For example, as someone was saying that, let's say I am having employee details already in the list. How to use those employees list. This is how you can create from the existing data, you can create a list instead of manually typing it.
But is there any limit on the number of?
No, no,
No.
no. There is no limit. You can select any range. Is this
Okay.
clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Any doubt anyone is having? Okay, now here let's say again I want to create one list. So these are the first name of my students, and for these students I want to create a list. Okay, so let's say again what I'll do, I'll go to file, one more example we are just seeing, go to more options, and here go to advanced. I hope you guys have remember this path. You need to go to file, then more, and then options. Once you go here, there will be option of advanced. Just click on advanced, scroll down a bit, and you will be seeing edit custom list. Just click on that. It will open the existing list for you. Now, if you want to create a new list, just click on the new list and just either manually enter the values or just import the values. So I'll just click on this up arrow so that it allows me to write or select the range. So let's say this is my range. I'll just click on enter, import the data. It imported the data, and I'll just click on add and just click on OK. Now here also I'll click on OK. Now I'll go up and write some value. Let's say here I'm randomly writing. I just remember Joseph, for example. So I'm writing Joseph and just drag and drop the values. So here I'll just drag and drop the values. So here we have got the information of all the first names that we have selected. Is this clear to everyone?
So now one question. This you're manually dragging and dropping.
Hmm.
But as I asked you previously, like if I want to fill the same list for maybe 1 lakh row, is there
Hmm.
a option where I give the range like till where I want this to be filled?
That also you can do. Instead of just selecting this box and drag and drop, you can just do one thing. Let's say here it is Joseph again. Okay. Now what I'll do, just click on this cell, Control Shift down arrow. Okay. And then press enter. I'll just go back again. To select the rows, you just need to okay, give me just 1 minute. I'll go back there.